What is a backlink? Hey, welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to talk about what backlinks are and some of the major concepts that you need to know around backlinks. By the end of this lecture, you will know why backlinks exist and how they are structured. So without further ado, let's dive in. What is a backlink? Simply put, a backlink is a hyperlink, which, when clicked, directs you to another page on the web. The purpose of backlinks, in my opinion, are so that visitors can have a better experience. With a simple click, visitors can be exposed to more value-added content, others' opinions, research, and experts who you have identified as important enough to link to. In terms of search engines, links are important because Google and other search engines use them to index pages. They do this by swinging from link to link with their web crawlers. Almost all web pages in Google and other search engines have been indexed this way. Lastly, in terms of SEO, backlinks are important because they act as votes of confidence passed from one website to another. This helps build the authority of the website that is being linked. Backlinks can be simply created in WordPress by following the steps I mentioned in the content section of the course when we were talking about internal and external links. Although, since it's been a while, let's revisit it. To create a backlink, you simply highlight the text you want to act as a link, and then press Add/Edit Link. In the pop-up screen, enter the URL you want the visitors to land on as a result of clicking the text. Select Add Link, and you're done. To see if the link is live, just hover over it, and you will see the URL you have entered. Also notice that the word has changed color and is now underlined. Now, let's check out the backend of how the backlink looks in its HTML format. HTML, by the way, is just a simple coding language that acts like a communication between human speech and computer. Look at the top right corner and click Text. You will see something like this. If you don't see this, please go back and repeat the process from step 1. What you are seeing is the link or URL in between the hrefs tag. The hrefs section is the opening tag that lets the computer know that you are starting to add a link, followed by an equal sign and quotations for where your URL will rest. The opening hrefs tag is closed by this sign, and then followed by the text you have selected. The clickable text is also called the anchor text and is very important because it tells the audience and the search engine web crawlers what the backlink is about. Make sure that the words you select are accurate representations of the web page of the backlink. For example, if the words you selected are dog grooming, the web page or the URL being linked should be about dog grooming and not something completely different like cell phone plans. Don't deceive your audience because they will get mad. And don't deceive Google because they will punish you by lowering your trust. More on this later. The other way that you can add a link is by clicking the Add Hyperlink. Now simply add the URL and you're done. Now you are familiarized with why backlinks exist, their purpose, and their structure. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss why backlinks are important in more detail. See you there.